What's the missing number? After Jesus had come back to life, he appeared to his disciples on several different occasions over a period of how many days? 40. Where were the disciples when Jesus came to greet them? On a hill above Lake Galilee. Where did Jesus tell the disciples that he had to go? Heaven. What did Jesus tell them he would send? God's Holy Spirit. What did Jesus tell them that they had to do when he had gone? Go into the whole world and tell everyone all about him. What did Jesus say they should baptize people in? The name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. What came down and hid Jesus from the disciples' sight? A cloud. As Jesus was lifted up into heaven, who appeared? Two men dressed in white. What did they tell the disciples Jesus would do one day? He would come back in the same way that they had seen him go into heaven. What did Jesus say that he would always do? And surely I am with you always till the very end of the age.